Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine in Brave browser on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Brave browser and you will see an interface like this. Normally click on this 3-bar horizontal line and then normally select settings. And then you have to choose search engine. And from here, you can choose the default search engine. So if I click on this change button, you will see most of the popular search engines here. Just select the search engine and click on this set as default button. There is another option also for private window. So if you click on this drop down menu, you can also choose your preferred search engine for private browsing. For example, I'm choosing it as Bing. So whenever I'm searching something, it is going to be opened from the Google, and if I open it from a private window, it is going to be opened from the Microsoft Bing search engine. That's pretty cool, pretty simple. On the other hand, if your desired search engine isn't listed here, normally you can click on this Manage Search Engines and Site Settings option and click on this add button, and here you can add your favorite search engine. And to do that, for example, I'm going to add the start page search engine here. So I'm giving it a name start page. I'm giving a shortcut here SP, and then you have to provide the URL of it with the percentage of s in the place of query. So it is going to be https://www.startpage.com/search ? q equal to percentage of s, and then click on this add button. Once added, normally click on this 3-dot vertical line here and choose make default, and that's it. Now if we want to check it, here you can see that the default browser of us is a start page. So whatever I search now, it is gonna be opened from the start page search engine. So that's all about today's video. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. The Microsoft